Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to redeem American Airlines miles. First, open your browser and search for American Airlines. Click the first link that appears. On the home page, click the menu in the top right corner. Select Use Miles. Choose a trip or destination you'd like. Click Redeem Miles. Enter your flight details from, to, dates, passenger, then tap Search. Browse the available flight options. Pick the one you want. Scroll down and click Login and Continue. Enter your Advantage login info and follow the prompts to redeem. And that's it. That's how to redeem American Airlines miles. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.